Hello everyone! Today is a new day, new life, new beginning, and new lesson. So our lesson for today is about constructing a table. Okay? So we have here an English phrase, and then we're going to construct this into an equation. So the range is 2 more than the domain. Again, so when we talk on a range, that is y. I'll repeat, range is y. The word is, equal sign 2, of course, 2 is 2. More than means plus, domain is x. Okay, that's it. Now, we're going to construct. So, y is 2 more than, ang 2 natin andito, more than, pabaliktad tayo ha, okay? Bakit? Kasi ang constant nasa dulo, okay? Range is 2 more than the domain. Our domain is x. So, eto na ang ating equation. It's already written in a slope form. So, after that, we're going to construct this or make this into function notation. So, when we say function notation, si y palitan lang natin ng f of x is equal to, kopyahin lang natin siya, x plus 2. Okay? Ulitin natin, si y palitan lang natin ng f of x is equal to x plus 2. So, this is already our function notation. Ulitin ko, itong ating equation, which is written in a slope form. Ito ang function notation, palitan lang si y ng f of x and then copy the same number. Okay, so gagawa tayo ng table. Ang number dapat na ilalagay natin. So, ang range is y. Kukunin natin si y. Ang domain is x. X ang nasa taas. So, magbibigay tayo ngayon ng value ng x. So, dapat ang ilalagay natin na value ng x ay yung mga, how do we call that? Consecutive numbers. Okay? Consecutive means magkakasunod. Mas mainam yun na nasa gitna. So, in between is 0. So, maglagay tayo ng negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So, yan. Consecutive siya. Sa number line kasi, ito ang gitna natin. So, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Pinakamalaki ang nasa right. Okay? Pinakamaliit ang nasa left. Ayan. So, pagkatapos niyan, isa-substitute lang natin yung value ng x dito. Okay? So, unahin natin ang isa. One at a time. Hindi pwedeng sabay-sabay ito. Okay? So, one at a time, so meaning to say, isa-isahin natin. So, negative 3 muna ang gagamitin natin. Palitan natin ito ng negative 3. So, ibig sabihin nito, lahat ng x dito, palitan natin ng negative 3. So, x magiging negative 3 plus 2. Therefore, negative 3 plus 2. Kung mag-add ka ng magkaiba ang sign, anong gagawin natin? Kopyahin ang sign ng mas malaking number. So, mas malaking number, ang sign niya negative. And then, subtract the number. 3 minus 2, magiging 1. So, this is negative 1. Next, the same lang, f, palitan natin si x ng negative 2, yung susunod na tayo. Is equal to, yung lahat ng x, palitan natin ng negative 2. So, this becomes, kopyahin na lang natin, para hindi kayong wala, x plus 2. So, lahat ng x, palitan ng negative 2. So, negative 2 plus 2. Kung magkaiba ang sign, subtract. So, 2 minus 2, magiging 0 na siya. So, this is 0. Sorry. Bakit 2? 0 ka ko, pero itong sinulat ko. Pasensya na. 0. Next. Next is the same lang. F of negative 1 is equal to x plus 2. So, lahat ng value ng x, lahat ng x, palitan natin ng negative 1. So, x magiging negative 1 plus 2. Magkaiba ang sign, copy the sign of the greater value, mas malaki ang positive. So, positive. And then, subtract ang number. 2 minus 1 is 1. So, positive 1 or simply 1. Ibig sabihin, pag wala nakasulat, positive na po yan. So, 1 na yan. Okay, next. Iko-continue pa ba natin ang mag-compute? Hindi na kailangan. Actually, kung mayroon ka ng dalawang value ng y, makukuha mo na lahat ang susunod na value. As long as yung number or yung given mo sa taas ay consecutive numbers. Ibig sabihin, ganun din ang baba. Ang sagot mo dyan, pare-pareho lang din ang differences nila. Let's try. So, ilang jump ang gagawin ng negative 1 to 0. So, anong next ng negative 1? Negative 1, 0. So, 1. Next, 0 to 1, 0, 1. 1. So, ibig sabihin, 1 lang ang differences nila. So, negative 1 plus 1, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So, that is your table. Okay, let's check if tama nga ang nasa baba. Magpunta na lang tayo sa number 3. So, gamitin na lang natin ito. So, f of x, which is 3, gamitin natin to. Tingnan natin kung mapapalabas natin ang 5. 3 is equal to, ibig sabihin, lahat ng x palitan ng 3. So, yung x palitan ng 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, which is 5. Okay, so for example number 2, we have here the domain is 1/2 the range. So, pag sinabi nating domain, ito ay yung x. And of course, ang range ay y. And of course, the word is equal. Then we have 1/2. Okay, so 1/2. Equate na natin siya. So the domain x is 1/2 the range. 1/2 y. Okay, so ito na yung equation natin. But, kailangan nating i-isolate si y or write it in a slope form. So, since this is fraction, this must be over 1, then do the cross product. So, x times 2 is equal to 2x is equal to 1 times 1. 1 times y is y. So, ito na ang ating equation. Then, isulat natin ito in a function notation. So, f, palitan natin si y ng f of x is equal to 2x. So, ito na ang gagamitin nating equation. So, using the same table where the value of x continuously or sunod-sunod. Okay? So, palitan natin si x ng the first one, negative 3 is equal to, ibig sabihin, lahat ng value ng x, papalitan natin ng negative 3. So, 2 times negative 3. So, positive times negative is negative. Kasi, the rules in multiplying unlike sign, if you multiply unlike sign, the answer is always negative. Then, 2 times 3, we have 6. So, negative 6. Next, f of x is negative 2 is equal to 2x. Lahat ng x, palitan natin ng negative 2. So, 2, negative 2. Positive times negative is negative. 2 times 2, 4. Negative 4. Next, f of negative 1. Okay, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, okay na itong dalawa. Pero i-check natin para ma-clarify kayo. Baka sabihin nyo, nanloloko lang ako. So, lahat ng x, palitan ng negative 1. So, 2 times negative 1. 2 times negative 1, positive times negative, negative. 2 times 1 is 2. So, negative 2. So, mag-jump tayo. 6, negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, 2. Negative 4, negative 2, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, 2. Negative 2, negative 1, 0. 0, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. 4, sorry. 4, 5, 6. So, nag-add lang tayo ng 2. Okay, so, tingnan natin. So, negative 4, negative 6, negative 4, negative 2. That's it. So, ganyan lang kadali ang mag-construct ng table. Okay, how about example number 3? So, I'm going to give you example number 3. Ang sabi dito ay, the range is the square of the domain. The range is the square of the domain. Is the square of the domain. Okay, so easy. Erase na natin ito lahat. Erase this one. We're going to use the same values of x. So, the range is, what is range again? Y. And then, domain is x. Is equal sign. Okay, square means to the power of 2. So, equate natin y is equal to the square of the domain. Ang domain natin is x. And then, power of 2. Power of 2 is square. So, nasa slope form na siya. Then, sulat natin siya in a function notation. F of x is equal to x squared. Now, substitute natin yung value ng x one at a time. So, f, palitan natin yung x ng negative 3 is equal to, lahat ng x, palitan ng negative 3. So, negative 3 squared. So, ang ibig sabihin pag may exponent tayo na 2, i-multiply natin yung base ng, depende kung nasa, ano yung number na sa taas. So, since 2, ibig sabihin, i-multiply natin ng negative 3 ng dalawang beses. So, negative 3 times negative 3. So, negative times negative, multiplying the same sign, is equal to positive. Then, 3 times 3 is equal to 9. This is 9. Next, how about f of negative 2 is equal to x squared. Sa lahat ng x, palitan ng negative 2 squared. So, negative 2 times negative 2. Negative times negative, positive 2 times 2, 4. So, it is 4. Next, negative 1. F of negative 1, x squared. Negative 1 squared. So, negative 1 times negative 1. Negative times negative is positive. 1 times 1 is equal. Okay, so I think we cannot apply this with the subtraction because 5, 3, maybe 1 ang susunod. So, let's try 0. 0 squared is equal to, okay, let's erase. So, f of 0 is equal to 0 squared. 0 squared is 0. Next, 1. Pag 1 to, 1 din to. So, 1 squared is 1. And then, 2. 2 times 2 is 4, the same lang siya, and then 9. So, we have, kung i-graph natin ito, meron tayong curved line. Symmetric line. So, ganyan ang mag-construct. So, always check if it is, pag squared kasi na ganito, ang graph natin ay symmetric siya. Kung gagamit tayo ng consecutive numbers. Okay?